Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare steamed spare ribs with black bean sauce, which is a very traditional Cantonese style dish popular in an ordinary Chinese household. Let's get started. This is a spare rib that I bought from the supermarket. The smaller one, which is ideal for dim sum. But this is a bigger one, which is good for lunch and dinner. Cut through the meat between the ribs and separate them into individual riblets. Rinse it under running water for about 5 to 10 minutes. After a few minutes of washing, you see that the color has changed a little from bright red to a little bit paler. That is when we have removed the blood and most of the impurities and the small little bones. Rinse until the water is clear and is ready. This is the black bean I purchased from the supermarket. And most of it are still in big pieces. So I would like to coarsely chop it before I add it to marinate the pork ribs. Heat up some oil in the pan. Add the minced ginger, minced garlic, and the coarsely chopped black beans, and saute over low heat for a little while. Next, prepare the ingredients for the marinade. We have the white pepper, Chinese wine, sesame oil, oyster sauce. This is thin slices of bird's eye chili. It looks like this. This is the one that's before cut, and it is very spicy, so it is optional. Then some sugar and some corn flour. Also the black bean, ginger and garlic. Combine and marinate for at least 1 hour. If you have time, 2 to 3 hours is even better. After marinating, arrange the ribs on a plate. Cover with cling wrap to avoid water from dripping onto the ribs during steaming. Put some water in the wok and put a steamer rack right at the center. Heat up the water, cover and let it boil. Once the water is boiling, put a plate of spare ribs on the steamer racks. Cover and then steam for 20 to 30 minutes over medium to high heat. After 30 minutes, remove the pork ribs from the steamer. Take a look at it. It's now nicely cooked. Transfer the spare ribs to the serving plate. Garnish with chopped chili and scallion. Serve. I hope I have explained clearly how to prepare the steamed spare ribs with black beans. You can get a quantity of the ingredients and the recipes by following the links to my blog post in the description below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Thanks for watching. I'm KB Kwan. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye for now.